no changes to stamp duty. And the reason I say that is to actually be helpful, because if people like me suggest that there might, then all of a sudden it causes a very significant impact in the housing market. So that's not a lever I intend to pull. But let me say this, there are commitments in the programme for government that we will honour, absolutely. So keeping the first time buyers grant, there's a commitment to a review of the first time buyers grant. Some people have a view that the thresholds, etc. There's a commitment to that review, and keeping the help to buy scheme and the first home scheme are two.
And the renters credit obviously wasn't touched on last year. I think the Fine Gael manifesto said they would like to increase it to 1,500. Is that something you think is due to consideration in the next budget?
So that's definitely due consideration. Again, decisions will be for the budget, but the renters tax credit has an important role to play. We've committed to keeping it for the lifetime of the government, and yeah, instinctively I'd like to see it rise as we have to look at all these things in the round in the budget, but I think it's an important part of helping people.